So if you are too lazy to install a third-party editing app to cut a shortened portion of the video, and we will learn today how we can cut video inside of your Instagram story. So without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So if you want to cut videos in Instagram story, well, unfortunately you can't directly cut a certain part of the video within the Instagram story. No matter whichever kind of video it is, you can't just go ahead and then cut it inside of this particular story right here. You can see there's no edit button. So if you want to delete a certain portion of that story, what we actually have to do is we have to open any editing tools. Now your phone could have any editing tools. Samsung phones actually have this studio application where you can just select a certain portion of the video, then just tap on the done option there. Now you can use apps like InShot or maybe CapCut that is available both on Android and iOS. Then select a certain part of the video that you want to remove or crop. Then after that you can come back to your Instagram story. But if you're talking about directly editing it inside of Instagram story, currently that feature is not yet available. So I hope that this video helped to clarify the question. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.